Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Rust mobile game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on Android phones. So without wasting time, let's directly jump to the resolution. So the first step is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Rust mobile app and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to check for Rust mobile app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Rust mobile and then tap on it, and if you see any update available for this app, then update it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check, and if you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. If possible, then you can also try to connect to a different Wi-Fi or mobile data network via hotspot and then check Rust mobile app is working or not. Next solution is to force stop Rust mobile app. So tap and hold the Rust mobile app icon, then click on app info, then click on force stop and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then you have to also clear the Rust mobile app cache. So again tap and hold Rust mobile app icon, then click on app info, then go to the storage usage and then tap on clear cache and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then also tap on clear data. Now please take a note over here. Clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of a choice from the Play Store, such as ExpressVPN, Norton VPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, or you can also install VPN Windstripe VPN. And then after installing the VPN app, go ahead, launch it and then connect to a different location. You can connect to Hong Kong, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now here take a note, if you are already connected to VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall Rust mobile app. So simply tap and hold the Rust mobile app icon, then click on uninstall, and then again tap on uninstall to confirm it, and then just restart your device. And once your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Rust mobile and then search for it, and then click on install button to reinstall it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then last thing you must do is to check for the Rust mobile app server status. And if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance, or having any kind of outages, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Rust mobile game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.